Here's a 1955 Chevrolet 210 Wagon. It is a VB code. So like I said, it is a 210 Wagon. This particular one is, I would call it a running driving project. Paint on it is decent. As you can see, it's kind of it's a blue teal. It shows up a little more blue in the video than maybe it is in person. It's got a little more teal to it. As you can see, riding on American Racing polished wheels. Chrome on it's nice. You can see the bright work in the front, grill. Everything there is nice. Hood emblem, Chevrolet hood emblem, shows its age a little bit. Hood ornament, nice shape. A lot of the tough stuff has been done on this one. Underneath the hood, LT1 Chevy V8, which is paired with a overdrive transmission, 700 R4. So you got the good running gear that you're going to want for going down the highway. There is a B&M shifter connected to the automatic transmission for shifting. Now, as far as the trim pieces, interior pieces, there is a ton that goes with this car also. As you can see, there's seats in there. But as far as the trim pieces and some of the stuff you're looking for down the outside, a bunch goes with this car and is included in the sale. Now, if you want to see those pictures and what comes with it and what there is, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Look down below this video in the description. You're going to see that there's a link. Click on that. It'll take you to it. Or give us a call, 507-386-1726. If you're wondering about anything specific. I want to note that that side glass is cracked in the passenger window there. That is a flat glass. Very simple to replace. Not an expensive piece at all. But there is some of the trim pieces on, as you can see up around the window moldings. Door handles are all there. Come around to the back, chrome bumpers. So a lot of the stuff has been done on this. Somebody that likes to tinker, have a little TLC, and end up with a nice 55 wagon when you're all done. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course, we can assist you in getting this car transported to where you're located at. I'll fire it up here too when we get around to the passenger side, or the driver's side, excuse me, so you can hear it run. Again, still pictures, and check out those pieces if you're wondering what comes with this. uniqueclassiccars.com, or like I said, click on the link down below in the description of this video. That'll take you there, 507-386-1726. You'll catch it the first time. And again, this car is probably a little more teal. I wish I could get it to show. Maybe it'll show up a little more in the pictures. But maybe down here we can see there's a little more teal. It looks a little more blue in the video, but maybe it's got a little more teal into it. Anyway, decent paint job on it. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Door card's been put in it. It does have a Cadillac style seat. Wasn't sure of this emblem, but it reminds me of a Cadillac style seat. Could be an aftermarket hot rod seat or manufacturer's seat. Kind of a double cushion. Kind of reminded me of Cadillac. Aftermarket gauges have been inserted in the cluster. Wipers do work. Tried those a little bit ago. Let's go ahead and start up here. This thing run. Like I said, that LT1 pops right off. Good oil pressure. There is an aftermarket tack down here. I did notice that works. Could use a radio installed in it with dash. Other than that, looks nice. Like I said, wipers work fine. Nice looking dash to it. The headliner, not bad. A little TLC in the back there. Check out the rear seats. Oops. Door closes nicely. Things seem to fit nice on it. I'll slip up here to the front. We'll pop the hood so you can check out the engine bay. See the LT1 underneath there. Pause this a second. Pop that hood. Alright, some of the equipment. Aluminum radiator. 2 electric fans on it. Does have power steering, power brakes. Now this is the LT1 fuel injected engine there. Runs smooth. Like I said, a lot of the tough things have been done on this. Guy wants to spend a little time, finish it off. You got a nice 55 wagon. Once again, give us a call, 507-386-1726, or click on the link down below in the description. It's going to take you to uniqueclassiccars.com, where you can check out the still pictures, see everything that comes with this. We do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can sure assist you with transportation to where you're located at. Give us a call.